Alright, so just going to do some taping for a lateral ankle sprain, so when you've rolled your ankle, okay? Just going to start off first of all just with an anchor. So it's just going to follow your calf around, okay? End up in a bit of a crisscross there just because of the way the calf goes, alright? And we go inside of your foot, straight over the bony bit, okay? Just there. And we're going to come around the foot, making sure it stays up at 90 degrees. Then just coming back up on the outside. A little bit of pressure, but not too much on the outside there. So the next one, we're going to start half back on that first one. Okay, so just overlapping by half. We're going to come around and back up. Okay, good. Then the last one of those, just half forward. Same thing again, just overlapping by half. Okay, good. Then coming around, just making sure we don't get too close to the bony bit there, because that can cause a bit of pain, and also you can get tape cuts if you do it too close. Okay, bit of pressure. There we go. Now, when the foot's up in this position, you can see those tendons come up a bit, so just to protect them, just laying a bit of tape just over the front. Done. Alright, next we're going to just do some figure sixes. So again, starting right in the middle like we did for the first one, okay? Coming around, good bit of length on the tape so you can guide it to where you want it to go. Coming over the front of the foot and back to where you started. Okay, you can do two of those. So just changing by half where you started. Okay, coming around and just ripping off there. Good. Okay, now the last bit is an ankle lock. Okay, this one's a little bit more tricky. You're going to start, we're going to do it both directions. So you're going to start coming across the front of the shin, coming around, catching the back of the heel, okay? Coming around and underneath the foot, and then back up to where you started. Okay, good. Making sure it's not too tight, that you're not cutting off the circulation to your foot. So then we're going to do exactly the same thing but back the other way, starting on the inside this time, coming across, catching the back of the heel there, going back around and underneath the heel and back up to where you started. Okay, last thing we want to do is just to lock it off to make sure everything stays in place. Once again, just like we did at the start, all the way around. Not too tight, don't want to cut off any circulation to your foot. And that is your standard ankle taping when you sprain your ankle.